Did you know that a single sneeze can trigger an avalanche? It sounds like a tall tale, but it's true. In certain conditions, the vibrations from a sneeze can disturb the delicate balance of snow on a mountain slope. This is especially true in areas with a thin layer of snow over a hard crust. The sneeze's sound waves can cause the snow to shift, leading to a cascading avalanche. It's a quirky reminder of how even the smallest actions can have massive consequences in nature. Like, comment, and subscribe for more surprising stories like this.